Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video we'll teach you how to read WhatsApp deleted messages. If someone sends you messages on WhatsApp and right after sending the messages he or she will delete those messages, how you can read out those messages. In this video we are gonna teach you how to track those messages. For this one you have to open Google Play Store. And then here you have to type anti-delete for WhatsApp. And you have to install this application. Click on install. After the installation you have to open this application. And then you have to turn on this service. Click on allow. From here you have to enable this application. Click on allow. Go back to the application and again you have to enable this application. So here you can see the servers running. Now you have to go back to WhatsApp. Now anyone will send you a message on WhatsApp and right after sending the message he or she will delete that message. You can easily read out that message. So here you can see after sending the message she has deleted the message and immediately you will get the notification that someone has deleted the message. You have to click on anti-deleted message. So in the same way you can also read out your WhatsApp deleted messages. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.